Good day, guys. Welcome back to the Tutorial class. In today's class, we'll be looking at binary numbers. In our last class, or in one of our classes, we looked at binary numbers, or we treated every questions there, or we looked at the ideas to solving questions under binary numbers. Now, for today's class, we're looking at how we will solve these two questions. Also, to solve this question, leaving our answer in what? In base 2. Solution. For the first one, we have square root of what? 1001 base 2. Now, to solve this using binary numbers, leaving your answer in base 2, the first need to do is what? Convert it to base 10. So, on converting to base 10, what do we have? It becomes 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2, which leaves us here 0, 1, 2, 3. So, we have this as what? 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus what? 1. Now, my answer here becomes what? 9 base 10. Now, the square root of 1001 base 2 gives us 9 base 10. Therefore, the square root of 9 base 10 gives us what? 3 base 10. I'm not to get my answer in base 10. Let me convert it to base 2 back. Now, convert it to base 2 is by what? Dividing. So, 2 in 3 here is what? 1 remainder 1. 2 in 1 here is what? 0 remainder what? 1. If in any case you don't understand what I'm doing, do also check my video on binary numbers. Okay, so my answer is what? 11 base 2. That's my answer. 1 base 2, I mean. Now, that's for the first one. For the second question, we're given what? 11x plus 10y equals 110, 0. And we're given that's base equation 1 plus 10y equals 1100. And we have 101x minus y equals what? 111. Now, the way to solve this question, also in this case, we have to first convert to base 10 before we solve. Now, this is equation 1. This is equation what? 2. I'm converting what we have. For the first one, we have it as what? 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 times x. That's for this. 0, 1 plus 1 times 2 plus what? 0 times 2 times what? Y. 0, 1 is equals to what? 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. Leaving our answers to be what? 2 plus 1 times x plus what? 2 plus 0 times y equals to what? 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0. That's still equation 1 we're solving from. This gives us what? 3x plus what? 2y equals 12. That's equation 1. Now, from equation 2, we have what? 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. This gives 0, 1, 2, all times x minus, this is y, equals what? 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus what? 1 times 2. 0, 1, 2. Now, in which case, what do we have? This gives us what? 4 plus 0 plus 1 all times x minus y equals what? What do we have here? 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so I now have what? 5x minus y equals 7. 5x minus y equals 7. That is equation 2. Equation 1, bring it down, it becomes what? 3x plus 2y equals 12. Equation 1. Now, I can solve this using the elimination method by multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 2, so as to eliminate y. Okay, so a new equation becomes what? 10x minus 2y equals 14. And for this, we have it as what? 3x minus plus 2y equals 12. This is the equation 2. This is the equation 1. On adding, we'll get 13x equals what? 26. So in this case, my x here is what? X is 26 over 13, which is 2. Now this is 2 base 10, don't forget. I'll convert it back to base 2. Okay, so in convert to base 2, it becomes what? 2 here, 1, remember what? 0. Then 2 here, what? 0, remember what? 1. So my answer in base 2 is what? 1, 0, base 2. Okay, 1, 0, base 2. Now that's x. How will I get y? Substitute x into equation 2. Okay, from this one up here, we have what? 5x minus y equals 7. That's equation 2. Now when x is 2, what do we have? 5 times 2 minus y equals 7. Y equals to what? 10 minus 7. That gives us what? 3 base 10. Now my answer is supposed to be in base 2. So on converting to base 2, what do I have? I have it as what? 2 divided by what? My answer, which is 2 in 3 is what? 1 remainder 1, and 2 in 1 is what? 0 remainder 1, which leaves us with what? 1, 1 base 2. So it means after solving for x and y from this question, we have our x to be what? 1, 0 base 2, and our y to be what? 1, 1 base 2.